Alright guys, so today we're gonna attempt to do the fan clutch and change out this radiator. Look at how beautiful this thing is. Hopefully the sun isn't too crazy. But yeah, that's the one. I think first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen this up. This top radiator hose and the bottom one down there. So I could empty out the radiator. And that's in there, it's slowly draining out. There's only water in here at the moment. Oh wow, look at the difference. If you go on my page, you'll see how dirty it was before. Oh wow, that's a huge difference. Alright, let's go ahead and remove this. This is a 12, but a half will do. Can't find my 12. Oh, almost fell. Don't forget to disconnect the hose. And also, this should come right up, but we have to disconnect the transmission line. I almost went crazy because I thought the radiator didn't come with these, and I was about to like lose my shirt. To plug up my transmission lines, I'm just gonna do this. And when I take off the hose, I'm just gonna jam this in there. See if that helps. And at the bottom, I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove this first, because the way that the clamps are at the bottom, they're kind of facing this way. So the best approach is to remove this first. For this one, you need a 12. I think I'm gonna pry this here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try to take one off for now. It's hard to get this on video, but I got one loose. Okay, so these don't want to come off, like you see. I'm thinking once I take all of them out, eventually this pulls out with it, I hope. We'll see. So I got all the bolts loose. Now I'm gonna try to use this to pry it away, I guess. See if that helps. They're coming off. They're coming off. Dropped all of them, practically. All right, cool. All right, let's find them. There's one. Got two. So sadly, when I came across 3. Okay, I just literally put my hands on both sides and started wiggling it, and that's what worked. So let's go ahead and take everything off. Oh, Katie. Oh, Katie, what the heck? So this is coming out nicely-ish. But I got everything disconnected. Let's check out this radiator. Look at how crazy this looks. Look at that. It's like in terrible condition. Look over here. It's just, this needed to be gone a long time ago. Okay, and now you could see where I could access this. So that's nice. Those are the transmission. Alright, so I got those off. I put one up here with my little custom, what is it called? I don't know, plunger I would say, to, you know, reduce the oil waste. If I'm not wrong, this should come out right away. I don't know if there's anything else holding on to it. Oh, looks like there's screws on the side over here. Look like little 10s or 12s. Alright, before I do that, I just want to show you guys this fan clutch. Like, look at it. Grease coming out of it. And this other side also. Look at the grease in there. That's not supposed to happen. There's a special type of silicone in there, and once they start leaking, it messes everything up. Which the radiator has 2 bolts on each side, and I have to take this out. On this side, I have to remove the battery, and then there's 2 down there. So, alrighty, so these are the 2 pain in the butts, but there's only one. Maybe the last guy that worked on this Land Cruiser lost it, but we had to remove the whole battery and then the battery holder. So annoying. Alright, now let's see if we could successfully lift this out. I don't know if there's anything else holding it down. I think I have to take this whole frame out or something. Yep. Look it over here. I'm gonna have to take these out on both sides. Use the impact for this. Oops, wrong way. Don't be like... Damn, she's pretty heavy. Whew. Wow, this is super heavy. I thought the other one was heavy. Know that this water pump isn't original. I did want to go in here and kind of just rotate it. Feels good. It's nice and smooth. So I do have the AC belt, and the previous owner said they did some work here, which I assume it was this water pump, and they forgot to put the AC belt back on. I'm thinking, like, should I do it or should I not? I would have to remove all these things here. I don't know. Alrighty, so we're gonna just take out these screws so we can install the new fan clutch. Alright. Wow, now let's get you guys the new one. Look at this beauty right here. Should have had it unbagged for you guys, but wow, look at that. Wow, shiny. So now we just change the fan. I should literally take advantage and wash this out, but you know, am I really gonna do it? No. Hopefully you guys can all hear the music in the back because I do not want to get copyrighted. Put it back together. Time to install this beauty. Let me get it in place really quick for you guys so we can install this beauty back into place. Also, I should see if never mind, there's no bushings on this. Alright, here we go. I can feel the heat on this thing. Okay. Be careful, be careful. It's brand new, it's brand new. Wow, she looks amazing in here, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, obviously it's not in the right spot yet. Okay, there we go. Now, there's a bracket that goes there. Hold on, guys. Let me put you guys on a time lapse. Alrighty, well this sucks because these screws don't fit in there, so I need to find some that'll fit in there. Alrighty, so I ended up taking it out, and just because I have to do these, which is annoying. Alright. I think the only other issue I'm gonna have is these. They go like at an angle, so I don't know if that's gonna interfere with the install. Alright, there's only one way to find out. Let's put it back in. Okay, let me grab this radiator once more. Okay, it's such a beautiful radiator. I'm just sad it didn't come with the nuts for the ends. So, and let's see if these oh no. Stupid belt. Oh, bro. Folded the little fins a little bit. Okay. Alrighty. Let's try to place you in here. I mean, it looks like those transmission lines are gonna fit just fine. Doesn't seem to be interfering with anything. Alright, cool. Alright, and for this side, I'm just gonna put this bracket on. And like I said, put, go this way. Put, zip ties for now. Honestly, guys, I'm so annoyed. That transmission line connector, that one's fine, but this one, it's not gonna reach. The freaking hose is too short, even if I wanted to twist it that way. Oh my gosh, guys, I do have a hose for the transmission cooling, so this is so awesome. I really hope it fits. Sadly, it's not the right size. I think this one is like a 5/8 or something. Why? I fell into a rabbit hole, and now I'm trying to do something with the belts. So stay tuned for part 2.